Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So today I will be trying out this method. I don't even know if you call it a method or not. Anyways, I will be trying to do nails with cornstarch. Yes, you hear me right? Cornstarch. And I think that was trendy like a year or something ago. So I really wanted to try it out, and yeah, let's get right into the video. I pushed back the cuticle and then I used my flame bit to lift the cuticle area, and then I went in with my round cuticle bit to remove any of the dead skin. And I'm doing this on really low speed. Next, I will be using my cuticle nippers and cut off the skin around my cuticles. With my sanding band, I will be removing anything that's left and also take the shine away from my natural nail. After I took away the shine from the nail, I will be removing the dust with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And after that, I will be putting on a peel-off base coat. And the reason why I'm doing this is because doing my nails so often is just so damaging, and it's really nice to just be able to take it off. These are the tips I will be using, and I just wanted to show you guys. And I already sized out all of my nail tips, and I will be gluing them on with some nail glue. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I use a peel-off base coat, the nail glue doesn't stick so well, so I decided I will be using my base coat instead, and I will be flash curing it and also give it a full cure in my nail lamp. Now that the tips are glued on, I will be using my tip cutter and cut the tips really short because I'm going for a short nail set today. Alright, I think this length is good. So now I'm gonna take my nail file and just reshape the nail and also take the shine away from the nail and kind of like blend it in. Here are the nails after they've been shaped. And what we're gonna need is some cornstarch and nail glue. I'm just gonna put some cornstarch into the lid, and then I'm gonna start off by putting a layer of the nail glue on my nail and just basically dip the nail into the cornstarch, and I will repeat that to all of the nails. After I did a layer to all of my nails, I brushed off the excess, and then I'm just gonna repeat that again, and I will be doing this for like 2 more times. So here's what the nails are looking like, and they look pretty messy, but nothing that a little filing can fix. And I think I did like 3 or 4 layers of it, and they seem pretty sturdy so far. I will be using my 100-180 grit nail file and start shaping the nail. I will be using my sanding band and just clean around the cuticle area. Here are the nails after they've been shaped, filed, and buffed, and don't they look like real acrylic nails? I think these turned out pretty good, and they seem really sturdy. Alright, let's get into the nail art. Today I will be using the gel polish from Beetles in a greenish color. In case you wonder why my thumbnail is yellow, I tried out the yellow color before, but I didn't like it, so I took it off and decided I will be using a green one instead. And I will be painting a layer to all of my nails. Okay, such a pretty color. So for the nail art I will be using some butterflies and some flowers. And for that I will be using my mica rhinestone glue and a top coat from Beetles. And I'm just gonna put a layer of the rhinestone glue on my nails and top coat it, and then just place the flowers and the butterflies like I like them. Now I will be applying some cuticle oil. And here's the finished nail set. I think they turned out so cute, and I can't believe that they just look like acrylic nails, even though they made out of cornstarch and nail glue. Let me guys know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!